Okay, Maddie, what are we going to do? We're going to dance?
Yes.
Yes, we're going to dance. And yes, that's beautiful dancing. And Maddie, we're going to listen to Metallica. Yeah? Hopefully the song isn't a naughty one, but let's just say it's better than Hannah Montana. You think? Okay, let's start it. Hang on, wrong one. Okay, I want to see you dance. Do it. Hang on. I'm moving away from you. I want to see you dance. Okay, do it. Do it. No, you can dance. Yeah, I'm going to sit. I'm going to watch you dance. Go over there and dance. Thank you. Go right over there.
No.
I want to see you. You're pretty. Wait. Where you going? Hey. Hey. Maddie. Let's see naughty. Come here. Show me how you dance. Come on. Okay? You're precious. Okay, go. I want to see it. Do it. Do it. No? Go over here and dance.
No.
Yes. Do it. Listen. You gotta dance. Come here. Dance. We don't play with those. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Uh-oh. Give me that. Come here, dance. Do it.
No.
Pretty. Maddie. Hey. I want to see you dance. What are you doing? Keith?
No.
Keith?
No.
Yeah. No, hang on. What are you doing? Don't push that button. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I love you. Excuse me. Nobody wants to see up your nose. Oh no! Didn't want to sit right there. Didn't want to sit right there. Didn't want to. No, didn't want to. No, didn't want to. Yeah, I'm gonna eat you. Yeah, I'm gonna eat you. Nom 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 nom. Shoes? They are. Déjalos. Deja los zapatos. No los saquen, por favor.
Up.
Yes?
Up.
Okay.
Up. Up.
May, you want to go to the store and get some milk?
Yes.
You do? You don't want to dance anymore?
No.
No? Do you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay.